Hello, uQuayer1993 here. Hello YouTube and hello eBay. I'm making this video to showcase the tablets that I have up for sale. So I'm going to be doing a series of these. This is the first video. I'm going to show you some of the basic features. This is a white model that I have here. As you can see, it's very nice and sleek, has a front-facing camera. The cameras aren't all that great on this tablet, I'll tell you that much. For the price, you know, it is a good camera for the price, and don't expect an iPad that's going to cost you $600 type of camera. This is a $150 tablet that I have up for sale. Okay, so you have your power button here on the side next to the front-facing camera. As you can see, it turns on and off, or I should say goes in and out of standby fairly fast. Let's flip this around. So as you can see, the back is fairly simple. BT, that means this model has Bluetooth. So this was manufactured in February of 2015. So this is a very new product. This hasn't been sitting around for months. So let me show you here. So you have your various ports. I don't know if you can see in them, but you can see the gold plating. So let me let you know what these are. So you have your power button, of course, your up and down volume rockers. You have the USB. The USB here, it's a standard micro USB that comes on most phones and tablets these days. This actually charges via the DC in. So let me just say something more about this USB port here. So you get a cable, it's called an OTG cable. It comes with the product, and this cable allows you to hook up any standard USB device. For example, you can put a wireless keyboard, a wireless mouse if you wanted to do that. Some people like to get remotes. So you plug in a little receiver onto the USB. Now you have a wireless remote, so you can control your tablet, especially if you're watching a movie or something, without having to get up and touch the screen. So you have an HDMI. I have the corresponding HDMI cables, and they do come with each purchase. You have your headphone, TF card. Now that may be a little confusing for most, but forget that it says TF card and pretend that it says SD card. It's the same thing, micro SD. And this is expandable to up to 64 gigabytes, and it has 8 gigabytes pre-built. So you have a reset and you have a microphone, and then you have the back camera here. The back camera is 1.3 megapixels. It's not that great, like I said. Okay, so let me turn this on here. Alright, so back to the tablet. Let me just unlock this really quick. As you can see, the brightness on the screen is very good. Everything looks nice and crisp. Colors are great. You know, and it's very responsive. You know, well, this one slides up and down here, but you know, it responds very fast. And I have the Kitkat launcher installed on here. This is why it looks this way. Yours out of the box is not going to have the Kitkat launcher installed, but this is a free launcher available through the Play Store, and that's the American Play Store here. So you have YouTube, you have Google Chrome, you have your camera, a file manager. I might have a video in here. Let's see. Yeah, actually I do. I love The Walking Dead. I don't have AMC, so I like to watch it on my tablet. So let's just hit just once. So the really cool thing about this is with the HDMI cable, you can now connect that to your television and project this screen on your television. and watch all sorts of things. It's very fast. Sorry. Let's pause that, and let's close that out here. Let's go close our settings. So on the top left here, you can pull this down. You have easy access to the Wi-Fi, you know, other stuff, time, dates, and any messages that you would get will come up here. So on this side, you know, you have your Google search, and you have a little more. You can control your brightness, you have your settings, you can record your screen. I currently have my Bluetooth off, and it gives you a battery meter there. Let me turn on Bluetooth just to show you. I don't have any Bluetooth devices, but Bluetooth is on, but there's no other visible. So in order to conserve my battery, I like to keep that off just so it doesn't use any energy. And you can even control the volume up from here, volume down. You can screenshot this, see, just like that. This allows you to close any open apps that you may have to save on your memory, your home, and this is just to go back. So another thing I wanted to mention is the tablet has 1 GB of DDR3 memory. The processor is a 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor. You know, quad-core is very fast. It's good for multitasking and heavy gaming that you want to do on this. Also for video decoding, etc. Alright, so additionally, you hit this button here, you get your apps. A lot of these are pre-installed. There's very few that I installed myself. One of the main apps that we'll be going over in another video would be Xmbc. That allows you to watch TV shows and movies for free. Another pre-installed app is Docs2Go. If you're a student or you have a business and you like to be able to use Microsoft Documents on the go, you can use this. You can use stuff you already have on your desktop, you've uploaded to your cloud, or stuff that you already have on the tablet. So let me go ahead and open up a Word document just to show you real fast how that looks. Okay, so you know, you can see all this. You can go in here if you want to edit. Let's just say instead of 1,000, we want to make that 2,000 and change, or 12. I made a mistake, but you can edit. So let's hit back. I don't want to save any changes, so I discard that. Let's show you an Excel file. You can of course edit these, or you can make your, well, if you already have one, you need to edit that. You can edit it, or you can start from blank. This is a free app. It does have some advertisements on it though. It's not too bad, but it's pre-installed. So let's close out of that. You have Owl Player. Lets you watch your videos that you have already on your tablet. You have your Sketch. Here, I installed that myself. Again, it's another free application. I found it on the Google Store. I was just playing around. I'm not really good at drawing, but this tablet does come with a pen, so you can draw real nice if you're into that. I just wanted to play around with it. Sorry, let me get out of here. So that's that. And you have Flash Player. And I wanted to know, this here is my Kitkat launcher. I downloaded that for free. Let's show you the Play Store. Let that load up. And there's a lot of free applications that you can get to do many different things. There's games, a lot of different things for free. You can pay for some stuff if you want to. So let me show you a really neat feature. So I went ahead and I clicked on the YouTube app. So let me open up an HD movie. So Planet Earth. We're gonna hit the first one. We're not gonna watch all of it. You're just gonna get a glimpse of it. So this is it playing on the tablet. As you can see, the volume is very high. Plays really loud. So let's make this full screen. Very nice. So a neat feature that I wanted to show you is on the YouTube app. Let me just pause this. Okay. So on the YouTube app, you see up here next to the share, you have this neat, cool, looks like a Wi-Fi with the TV in the background. Now, with this tablet, if you have a smart TV, like I do, or a Roku or Apple TV or something like that that you can connect to your television, you can actually wirelessly stream whatever you're watching onto your TV. You can do this with YouTube. I'm not sure if you can do it with other things. I haven't tried it yet. But, so let's hit play again and let me show you how that works. Play. And I go into here and it shows you I have a Roku, but let me show you on my TV. So I hit that, now it's connecting. And that'll actually be playing on my TV, playing on Vizio. Let me show you that. It's nice and crisp. As you can see, this is a high quality video. Zoom in for you a little bit. So now this is streaming off of the tablet. So you can control it. I mean, this is, let me show you. So the tablet here is now has it paused, but I can control it. I can pause it there, pause is here. So let me go ahead and disconnect that. Disconnect. So restarted the video, but as you can see, let me fast forward it a little bit. Buffer is very, very, very fast. Smooth playback, and this is an HD video. Very nice. Alright, so let's get out of full screen and let's move ahead. So I like the Google Chrome. It's very fast, very responsive. Okay, so let's do a Google search. And let's go to ESPN. See how fast that popped up? Let's go to ESPN. Go. Okay. Now that's up here. Everything's loading nice and fast, very crisp. Now this is the RAM and the good processor working together to give you this nice experience. I don't know if this video wants to play or maybe not even be a video. Let's hit back. Going on to eBay. Works very fast. Now my tablet is priced higher than most other vendors, and let me tell you why. The product that I offer is superior in quality. Now I have ordered a tablet from one of my competitors, so I wanted to show you. Later on I'll be making a video to compare and contrast the two. And I think once I make that video, it'll be easier to justify spending a few more bucks for my product over a competitor. But this is a very nice, solid build quality. You know, it's nice and it has a nice heftiness to it. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break in your hands like most other tablets on the market now. Although they look very similar, there is differences in quality. And I am giving you quality. My product is FCC approved, and I have images of that on my listing, so look out for that. FCC approved, CE approved. It has many approvals. Not many other tablet vendors can tell you that their product is FCC approved because it's not even allowed for sale in the United States. Let's just put it that way. So anyways, let's move on. I suggest installing the Kitkat launcher. Works very nice. I don't know if I have much other things to show. I've showed you Google, YouTube, documents, the drawing. So I'll show you the flashlight actually. I mean, it's not really dark in here, but that's on. Turn that off. But I think all in all, that's everything. As you can see, it turns very fast. Good viewing angles. Very good product overall. Hopefully soon I'll be making a compare and contrast, and I can convince you to buy my product over anybody else's, even if it's at a little premium of a price. But I feel that you get what you pay for. And again, this is a $150 tablet, and you're getting very good quality. The specifications are real good. I mean, it's not a $300-400 Samsung, you know, which is going to have a better camera than this, but other than that, many of the features are the same. So please bear in mind, and thank you for watching. You can email me at ucuellar2011@gmail.com if you have any questions. Thank you, and also when you buy my product, you can ask me as much questions as you'd like, and I'll get back to you. I'm here to give you customer support. And one thing I forgot to mention, or a couple things here. I mean, this is the box. I will be doing an unboxing next. This is a black model. And so this is, again, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, expandable up to 64 GB. The screen size is 10.1 inches, HD display. The processor is running at 1.4 gigahertz. And let me think. I think that pretty much covers everything. Well, thank you for watching.